Yo guys, have you missed me? Or you looking, where is the man from the Holland, huh? Well, here I am, bitches, and I'm gonna show you one video which my brother has on his cell phone. It will be the last one, but it's also one of the best ever. I will explain you before you are gonna see it. You have a woman who is shagging her spouse or a random guy, and she is on top. You think that's hot? You really think so? You think that's sexy? Well, wait till you see that video clip. Okay guys, I hope I didn't take your appetite away, you know? I really hope that you didn't lose appetite. Okay, the train, whatever person is bugging me now. See, he's the one to blame, not me. Okay guys, I guess we're gonna check out later because I got to take another train from now. And so if this would be the last video clip, then too bad, it's a shame, I know guys, but I promise you I will be back later, okay? Take care y'all, peace out.